guys, gusto ko nga masubukan itong product na to kung talagang totoo yung viral na sausage, cheese sausage hotdog. So, pumunta kami ng Walmart kahapon, hinanap ko talaga yon at meron akong nakita doon. May mga cheese hotdog doon, cheese bratwurst like that. Pero ano, yung kinuha ko talaga yung extreme. So, ito yung extreme. Ano to, actually 4 pieces ito, si Mila kinain niya kagabi. So, nakita ko dun sa kinain ni Mila, may cheese talaga sa loob. So, try natin ito. Ako hindi ko pa na-try, si Mila lang ang kumain. So, may label ito, natanggal na yung label. Ito yung binili ko, 4 pieces is $3.97 I think, yeah. So, iluluto muna natin siya bago natin siya i-try. So, ayan na guys. Let's do it. Hindi siya yung jumbo talaga, yung parang second sizes ng jumbo to. Mila likes it a lot. It doesn't smell, it doesn't stink anything. It's just strong. So, iluto na natin. So, yun na. It smells good. Naamoy ko na siya eh. It smells so cheesy kasi I got the extreme one. So, try na natin ito. Kung meron talaga itong puputok dito. Kailangan mainit-init mo pa i-try ito eh. So hot. I need a so hot. Bakit lang pumutok? Ang kamay ko ta. Oh. Cheese. Sarap siya. Kaya lang, hindi mo mapatasik yung ano. It's so good. If you're going to Walmart, I buy this in Walmart. Try the extreme one. But hindi siya talaga yung maraming liquid na tumatalsik. Nakikita ko sa video. But this one is so good. I can't eat this anymore. I wanted to try this one, but Mila likes it. Where is it all? I cannot eat more than one. Mila loves this one. So good. Extreme cheese.